Okay. This is the last bit of construction for the chicken tractor. I used another hoop that was broken to create the gate, and I used an old pool cover that was just too used up for the pool as the main protection from sun and rain for the chickens. We pulled it over and then just cut slits where we needed to bypass any construction materials, and then just pulled it back like a weave and tied it tight. It's pretty dang secure, even though it was kind of tearing at the seams. I just used some string to tie it back, and there we have it. We have a pool cover chicken tractor shade apparatus. We used some clear plastic for the sides to also protect from wind and predators. I thought maybe that knot would come apart, but it didn't. It ended up being a pretty big mess to get this poultry net thrown over and then fished off the other side and then spread out and so on and so forth. So the sides are completely covered, as you can see. There's a couple holes in the cover, but that's okay. I made the plastic on the bottom cover over the green, so that way wind would not be as much of an issue to pull that cover up. I'm not worried about a little bit of rain dripping in. We got the net all pulled over, and it's time for a drive. We ended up counting out 121 meat chickens left from our initial 131. We lost 3 in the beginning week. We lost 3 to predators. 1 ended up being pecked to death or died of natural causes in the chicken coop before. And the rest, we don't know where they went. Hopefully this container will help protect them from critters, give them shelter, and a happy place to live with fresh pasture every day until we eat them. We learned a lot from this build. We learned that we were not prepared for meat chickens, but hey, such is farm life. This ended up being a pretty big project that evolved from an idea, and we had plenty of little help along the way. But all in all, it was just kind of being resourceful and using what we had. Thank you for watching and have a great day.